In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find expenses not assigned to a customer or job. If you're trying to clean up your records or make sure your job costing is accurate, this is a very useful process. Sometimes expenses get entered without being linked to a customer or job, and that can make reports incomplete or misleading. In this walkthrough, I'll show you 2 simple ways to locate those unassigned expenses so you can review them and make corrections where needed. Let's start by using the Profit and Loss by Customer report. First, go to the Reports menu from the left-hand panel. Once you're there, search for Profit and Loss by Customer and open that report. This report helps you see income and expenses grouped by customer, which makes it easier to spot anything that hasn't been assigned properly. After the report opens, customize the settings and choose your preferred date range. It's a good idea to use a date range that matches the period you want to review, whether that's the current month, a quarter, or the full year. Once the report refreshes, look for a column or section labeled Not Specified or No Name. That area typically captures transactions that were not assigned to any customer or job. When you find amounts listed under that column, click directly on those amounts. This will let you drill down into the exact expense transactions that are still unassigned. From there, you can review each entry more closely and identify what needs attention. Now let's look at a second method using transaction detail reports. Go back to Reports and search for Transaction List by Customer. Open that report, then select Customize and go to the Filter section. In the Customer filter, you'll want to either choose the option that shows all except active, isolate blank customer fields, if your version supports that, or review the list that appears for transactions where the customer field is empty. This method is especially helpful when you want a more detailed transaction-level view. Instead of just seeing totals, you'll be able to scan individual entries and confirm which ones are missing a customer or job assignment. When you find a transaction that needs to be fixed, click the transaction line to open it directly. Then assign the correct customer or job and save your changes. As you work through the list, this can help improve reporting accuracy and make sure your customer-related expenses are being tracked correctly. That's how to find expenses not assigned to a customer or job using these 2 report-based methods.